Officer Perry, MKPD. The reason I pulled you over is because you're cutting through this.
Good morning. So is everybody else. There's one right behind you. There was one right here that just turned, but you got me, so good morning.
All right. Well, actually, I've been sitting here the whole time doing traffic crash.
Okay, well, there's literally one right behind you, but yeah. And then there's one that just cut right in front of me, too, so that's okay. That's okay. You got me.
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course. Okay.
Because I've been sitting here the whole time.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. And there's no need to argue.
Right behind us, but yes, good morning. Okay.
Do you have your registration and insurance?
That's,
January 27th, 2025. Officer Perrin spotted a car cutting through a parking lot and pulled it over. Standard stop until she asked for the driver's license.
And if you happen to be talking about the Jeep and the Hyundai, that was the traffic crash that I was taking care of.
no, it wasn't that. It was
Okay,
literally
because-
another car right behind us, but it doesn't matter.
Well, I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing.
Do you have the registration? That's not driver's license.
That's what I have on me right now. I'm sorry.
It'll be 42892
Right.
Bravo
Your
Delta
husband works
Alpha
for the U.S.
Delta.
Defense, or
Yes.
you work
Looking Harbor
for?
Parkway East on a blue Kia.
Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, you should know better then.
I know. We just moved here, so I just came straight from the base. That's all I knew. I know that's not an excuse, but that's what I have right now on me, and I just switched my bag, so that's why.
Okay, not having a driver's license makes me believe that you don't have a valid driver's license.
Okay. I mean...
The driver handed over a military ID, not a license, a military-dependent ID. In Florida, military spouses can drive without a Florida license. But they need two things, a valid military ID and a valid out-of-state license. She had one of those. Her Texas license expired May 2022, 3 years before this stop. In Florida, a license expired more than 6 months is not a paperwork issue. It is a criminal offense.
You're from another state too? Or is this a rental?
No, this is my car. I'm showing you. Literally, that's what I have. Like, you can...
Well, you don't need to show me all that.
I'm just letting you know.
I mean, there's no need to be a smart mouth, because I'm going to tell you what, that's going to talk your way into a ticket, okay?
I'm just letting you know that's what
Yeah,
I
but there's
have.
no reason to be smart with me.
I'm not trying
Because right
to.
now you're looking at 2 tickets.
Okay, well, I'm not trying to. You're making it feel like I'm purposely not giving you my driver's license and I don't.
No, I didn't say that. I'm telling you, you should know better, because your husband works
No,
for
I
the defense.
understand, but you're making me feel.
Okay,
I'm
you're
just
arguing
letting
with
you
me.
know how
What's your address, please? 04 it is. You live down here, right?
Yes. You're good on
I'll get that in a second. What's your date of birth?
019.
What's your insurance provider?
USA Bank.
Looking for a little over 18 minutes.
Can you put the license number in there for me? Alright. Do you want to go ahead and turn the vehicle off and step outside for me, please?
Can I ask why?
Well, right now you don't have a driver's license, alright? And I need to, once you step out here, that's why. Alright, seatbelt off.
But I would like to know
Off.
why I have to step out just because I don't have a license.
Because I'm going to read you your rights and I'm going to talk to you. I'm not going to ask you again.
Okay.
Step out of the vehicle.
That's all I wanted to know. So you're arresting me?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, I want to know. You're arresting me?
I'm not going to ask you again.
I just need to know if you're... Excuse you? Excuse you? Excuse you? Absolutely not.
Code 10.
Excuse
Code 10.
you? Oh my God!
I just said step out of the vehicle.
A military spouse, a parking lot, a traffic stop that went sideways fast.
How dare you? Oh my God, stop! I'm scared! Oh my God, stop! Help me! Help! Help me! Help!
Step out of the vehicle or I'm going to pull you out.
No, she's pulling me out of the vehicle!
vehicle.
Just please don't touch me. Let me go. Please.
Are you gonna step out of the vehicle? Let's go.
No, please don't. No, let me go. Please.
You know what? If I pull you out, you're gonna get hurt.
No, please.
Are you gonna step out of the vehicle?
Let me go. Don't touch me, please. Just let me go.
Put your phone down. Oi! I need help.
Please don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please, please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. How can I just don't fucking touch me? Please don't touch me. How can I don't touch me?
Put the phone down. Step out now. If this other officer gets here, we're both grabbing you and pulling you out.
But she literally forced the door
Yes.
open. She forced the door open on me.
Step out. You're gonna pick yourself up for resisting. If you don't do as I say now,
You ripped
there
me
is
out of
no
my car.
exceptions.
You ripped me out of my car.
All right, you've got yourself for resisting. You are gonna go to jail. I'm done. Out. Your husband can come pick up this car. I need you out now. All right, your time's up.
I tried to get out of the car and I can't move.
I'm telling you right now, somebody else comes, you're coming out.
I'm trying.
All right, you're gonna get ripped out, period. I've asked her to step out of the vehicle multiple times. I can't get her out of the vehicle. She has no driver's license. I want to read her rights back here because I have a feeling she's never been issued one based on what teletype's telling me, but who knows? But I haven't even read her rights.
Can you put me out with the 1101? All right, ma'am. You need to step out of the car. All right? Step out of the car, ma'am. The show's over. Step out of the car. Because you're crying doesn't mean you can't walk.
She ripped me out of my car, sir.
Okay, you're about to get ripped out of the car and thrown on the ground. Get out of the car.
Please have some compassion. I'm a
That has nothing to do with you sitting in a car.
Yes, it does. She touched me and ripped me out for no
Because
reason.
she told you to get out of the car already.
And I asked
And I've
her
told you to get out of the
why.
car. Get out of the car. You do what the police say, they won't touch you.
Yeah, okay, fucking okay.
Step back here by my car, by the motorcycle.
Put your hands behind your back now. You have the right to remain silent. Any things that you say can be used against you in court. You talk to your lawyer. Do you understand your rights? With that in mind, do you wish to speak to me? I'm not going to deal with this smart-ass talk anymore. Yes or no question.
Officer Perrin asked her to step out. She said no. She asked again. The answer was the same. For 8 minutes. 3 officers, 8 minutes of refusal. And a driver still convinced she was in the right.
You already ran her?
Yeah.
No license?
Nothing.
Never
issued.
We'll play the game later.
Alright.
You want to talk? It's fine. You have a driver's license? That's fine.
Oh, am I answering your questions? I'm sorry. Am I literally, no.
We don't have time.
Like,
We're done.
okay.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, harm me in any way?
You're the quick pediatrics. Like I never had a
I look at you, I'm like, yo, I need help. I got to get this chick out.
Yeah, I had no idea. I heard you yell something, and I thought they were toning me out. I was like, yeah, take it, 1-4, step forward. And I was like, I didn't hear my number, but
From the start, she hands me this defensive
it's a DOD.
military, ID. I said, where's your driver's license? I just used that. I said, no, you need a valid driver's license. Oh, well, I switch purses out and stuff. I use this all the time. I said, no, that's not valid.
Did you run out of New York then, right?
Virginia, I ran her out of. The teletype did run her out of Florida as well, and couldn't find her either. I mean, it's a shame because I really, somebody that's husband
she doesn't want to, if she is, because it's about to expire. It's like a spouse. Spouse of somebody.
Yeah, she is a spouse, and I made that clear too.
So your license has expired since 2022. Do you have any other license in any other state?
Massachusetts? I mean, that's probably,
How long have you been living in Florida?
since May.
Since May? Since May of this year? Or last year?
No, this past year.
So 2024 May? And where were you before? Texas or Massachusetts?
No, Virginia.
Virginia? Do you have a Virginia license?
I don't think so.
No? So it's just Texas?
I might have Mass, but for now it's just Texas.
Okay. Yeah, so the Texas one expired in 2022.
Okay, well, I didn't know that.
Where were
I
you
really
after
didn't
that?
know that. I'm sorry, what?
Where were you after 2022?
Hawaii?
Hawaii? Okay, do you have a Hawaii license or no?
No.
You never took that out? So you probably just forgot to take out your license or renew it. That's probably what was going on right now.
We're military, so I don't use that often. I know that sounds bad, and usually Texas is like 5 or 6 years long.
Yeah. Gotcha. So that's what we're looking at right now, okay?
All she did was cut through this right in front of me. Then she tries to lie to me and told me there was 2 other cars
Issued
that
4
did.
years ago, so I don't know if they're still married or she just kept this.
She was talking to, I think, a spouse on the other line.
Well, I was just wondering what the cause for the stop was.
She's cutting through a lane.
Okay.
Well, a parking lot. Excuse me.
Okay. And then the cause for pulling her out of her vehicle?
Because I asked her to step out of the vehicle and she refused.
For what purpose?
Well, she's going to jail right now because she has no driver's license.
Actually, she does have a driver's license.
From where?
Okay.
Huh?
From where?
From Texas.
It's expired by more than 22 years.
And as a military service member that's also passed on to the spouse, I already have it pulled up on my phone. It's on my bike. It's still valid. You can't use it as an ID, but it's a valid license.
So, but you've been living in Florida since May of last year, correct?
That's correct.
So you can't have a Texas license if you're living in Florida.
That's not true. As I'm an active duty military, yes, we can.
You can't have an expired driver's license by over 6 months. It's a criminal offense. It doesn't matter if you're in the military. I'm in the military too.
Then you should know.
It doesn't matter. You can have a license out of another state. That is true.
Yes.
But you still have to have a valid license.
Has to be
It is valid.
Is she deployed right now? No, she's
It
not.
doesn't
That's
matter.
the
When you're
excuse
state-
to not
I can pull
keep
up
your
the
license
statute
renewed.
to prove
Do
that.
it right now then.
I
I
don't
can
have
tell
to.
you that you still have to have a valid license. They can have a license out of a different state, but they still have to have a valid license.
Florida Statute 322.031, the military spouse exemption, requires both a valid military ID and a valid out-of-state license. Both, not one, both. She had the military ID. Her Texas license expired May 2022. The second requirement was not met. The exemption did not apply.
Yeah, to be able to drive.
If you are a military duty member, spouse, or dependent and are stationed outside the state of Texas, not outside the state of the United States, the expiration date of your Texas ID is automatically extended unless your driver's license has been suspended, canceled, or revoked, which it has not.
Okay, where are you guys stationed at?
We're stationed here.
That's not what I'm asking. Where are you stationed at? Are you stationed out of Fort Myers Beach? That's what I'm asking.
Oh, understood. South Fort Myers. Colonial and Fowler.
Are you like a recruiter or something?
On temporary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out why there would be a station there. I've never heard of that. What statute is that?
That is...
Yeah, but we're looking at 2022. This is 2 years. 3 years, yeah. What are you thinking?
And that's fine, because it doesn't have a time.
Because you've only been... Yeah, I don't think so.
And it's DL16P, out of state packet 10, tech 24.
Can I see that?
Of course. The highlighted one. Sorry, adrenaline's got me going. That's why I'm a little shaky.
It's understandable. The problem is when she was asked to step out of the vehicle, she was
resisting charge.
She was uncooperative. We don't have to have a reason other than officer safety. If we're requesting you to step out of the vehicle, you have to step out of the vehicle.
Well,
if you do not
feel like you're unsafe,
because right now she didn't have a driver's license. She did not have a valid driver's license.
She was looking to go to jail. So what happened?
We need to interview her to determine whether or not she has a valid driver's license. Okay, but we asked her to step out of the vehicle and she refused to comply. Yes, she does.
Unless you have a probable reason.
You know what? I'm taking her.
That's all right. Jack will be in touch with you.
Okay.
What do you want to do with the vehicle? You want to tow it?
I'm going to drive it.
Take it?
Yeah. I'm going to park my vehicle in a secure parking lot, and then I'm going to take the vehicle. That's all right with you all. That's good? Okay. All right, thanks, guys.
I'll look it up. I mean, either way, she refused to get out of the vehicle, so.
Yeah, you got resisting all the way.
I've never heard of that applying to a spouse and having to do with expiration. I know you can keep your driver's license out of another state, but I'm pretty sure you still have to renew it. Yeah.
I will. Thanks, guys.
She was placed in handcuffs. Miranda was read. The conversation was over. She was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statute 843.02, refusing a lawful command to exit a vehicle qualifies. She earned that in 90 seconds. Also charged, license expired more than 6 months. $650 bond, case outcome unknown.
All suspects are presumed innocent.
Officer Perrin gets a B+, patient through 8 minutes of non-compliance, legally correct on the exemption requirements. She held the line without escalating unnecessarily. The subject gets a D, Texas license expired 3 years prior. The exemption required both documents. She had one. Refusing to exit converted a traffic citation into a criminal arrest. The lesson knowing a law exists is not the same as qualifying for it. The military spouse exemption is real, but it requires 2 things. Carry both documents before you drive. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment should the military connection have changed the outcome.
You're going to pick yourself up for resisting. If you don't do as I say now, there is no exceptions.
So is everybody else. There's one right behind you. There was one right here that just turned, but you got me, so good morning.
All right.
It has nothing to do with you sitting in the car.
Yes, it does. She touched me and ripped me out for no reason.
She told you to get out of the car already.
And I asked her
I've told you to get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Okay, you got me.
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course. Okay.
Because I've been sitting here the whole time.